Hi, this is Money from BSE to NSE.com. So in this video I'm going to do the sample trade recording of the expiry day option selling part. So again, right now at the bottom you can see that my time here is 2:54 on the clock, and actually Nifty is I have loaded 8100 put because that is where I get a higher premium. And at the top I have spot price at 8120. So this premium has gone down a bit now because spot has gone up by around 10 points. So I will look to short this, and I know that as long as Nifty holds 8100, this is going to become zero. Okay. I have 5 lakh rupees in my trading account, and per lakh you should be able to do 400 quantity in Zerodha as MIS short. And again, I'm waiting for the next 3 minutes to short this premium, and if I get a better price, so you can see here that the premium is going down. I'll not jump in yet. I'll wait till 258, which I think is the best time to get in. Until then, any price up move that I get, I'll look to short it. Okay. And as soon as I short it, I'll be looking to push in a stop loss. And this is a normal candlestick. When you want to put in a stop loss from the chart, you'll need to convert it to a normal candlestick. So this is Heiken Ashi on a negative trend at this point. Couple more minutes to 258. Normally I look to short around 4 rupees to 6 rupees, but today I think that opportunity is not there. You get around 2.5 rupees, so sometimes it will be high, sometimes it will be less. So it's 2:56 time. Let me check the time here. 2:57 almost. So in the next 1 minute I will look to short it. And currently I'll take 450 as the resistance, and spot is at 8123 now, which may not crash. There's some amount of pullback in the price. 360. So 4 rupees will be 2% returns on my capital. I'll try to push in 2500 quantity. I checked, I think I can do this. 2500 quantity in one shot. And it's 257. I'll short it now. I've shorted it at 3.65. It's actually 4 rupees now. I load a normal candle chart, and my expectation is in 3 minutes time okay, the clock is hitting 2:58 now, and I was actually helping out a friend here. I'll now put the stop loss immediately as planned at around 750 here, buy here, and okay, so I put my stop loss to avoid the unlimited loss scenario, and I will load the snap code here. I'm already in profits of 2500, 2800. And you can see the time here, we are hitting almost the 3 o'clock time, coming close to the 3 o'clock time. It is still 2:59, 23 seconds here. You can see in the snap code I am short by 2500 quantity. I think I can check for cash. If I have further cash, I can short some more, but I don't have any more cash here. Alright, so I'll just wait for time. Time will give me the profits here, not the price movement. Oops. Yeah, my terminal is getting hung here. I'll probably close and come back. Normally it does not happen. So I'll reopen Pi. I'm pretty sure my trade is pretty safe. Because the stop loss is in place and the 3 o'clock is coming in, so there's nothing to worry. Oops, it says remote server is not available, but my friend here who just executed the trade, for him he's still logged in, so I'm not sure if there's a issue just for my account. Oops. Yeah, actually it is now at 1 rupee 60 pies. I can see on my friend's terminal here who is still executed, so we are in pretty good profits, and I don't need to worry because MIS will get auto squared off at 320. I'll pause the recording for now, and I'll continue it once I've logged in. Hi, yeah, there was a minor glitch. We both got knocked off with a server connectivity issue. It's back again, and the time is now 3:10, and you can see that the price is now 80 paise. So I'll not rush in to buy it or square off yet, because I know in another 10 minutes, I know you can see here this candle, negative candle, which dropped from the high point is 6 rupees, and this candle that you see exactly is the 3 o'clock candle. So as soon as the clock hits 3 o'clock, the price drops from 6 rupees to less than a rupee. So I can actually load a Heikinashi to push my stop loss into the profit zone, which will be, now I will put it at 3 rupees, which is a flat top of the previous candle here. So all I have to do is go to the order book, click on the trigger pending order, give a modify, and yes, I'll push it to 3 rupees inside the profit zone. 3 rupees is my profit zone, so I'll push it into the profit zone, and I'll just sit and watch till 320. So you can see that it's now already 20 paise, and you can see that the profits that I've made with 5 lakh rupees is 8,500. My shorting price is 3.67. So I think I'll approximately make something around 9,000. And the reason, like I said, is why this strategy is extremely good is because your risk is only 3 minutes, and within that 3 minute, if Nifty suddenly spikes heavily, that is the only case when you can make losses. Otherwise you're definitely going to make profits. And you can see some notification from Zerodha saying close all the in the money contracts to avoid the STT penalty. So other than that, like I said, as soon as the clock hits 3 o'clock, and if the price holds above, or if the contract is out of the money contract, the premiums will definitely drop below 1 rupee. So what is 30 pies here? You can see the amount of quantity that people are shorting. It will eventually probably settle down around 10 paisa at 320. The time is now, you can see in the snap quote, 311, 312. So what I'll do is I'll pause the recording again. I'll start recording again close to 320, and I'll show when the MIS order will get auto squared off at around 320 to 322. So I'll start the recording again at around 318 or 319. Okay. Yeah, it's 319 now. So you can see the price now on the right side in the snap code. You can see it's 319.42, and you can see the MTM. I've pretty much captured all the profits. It is now 10 paise. If I want, I can manually square off, or I can let Zerodha do it for me as part of the MIS order. So to square off, I can just fill in here at 2500 and sell, buy back to square off. I'll just let Zerodha do it for me because I know it's going to anyway get executed. So normally between 320 to 322 the MIS orders will execute. So this month actually I had shorted at 3.67, and sometimes you can get a better premium around 6 rupees, 7 rupees also. So like I said, 4 rupees means that 4 rupees means that you get around 2% returns. If you collect 6 rupees, it's 3% returns. 8 rupees is 4% returns. So it's an exceedingly easy game, and it's a trade that anyone, even a beginner, can try out. And 3% returns in 20 minutes is extremely good. So I'll leave. I think I've showed this in the sample video here. Any questions, any queries, you can post on this video, and I'll get back to you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay in touch. Thank you. Bye bye.